leaders and see how we can define what are crops that can be produced in Acholi sub-region. Then we go into signing big contracts. For example, if we look at Mukwano, Mukwano buys a lot of sunflower, and sunflower performs very well, and it doesn't cost a lot to invest in sunflower. But for us to go to the extent of saying we are signing a multi-million, dollar contract with Mukwano, we need to first sensitize our people. They need to be ready to go into group farming and produce quality that Mukwano wants, and we'll be able to get our people out of poverty. It's about the mindset. But there is nothing you can do other than working hard. Poverty is fought by working hard, and you have to identify where is my strength as a country or as a subject. What is my strength? And that's the only basis we can fight poverty.
Maybe the criteria, the methodologies actually that you use in identifying these initiatives are, as you stated before, the beneficiaries are big for per. What kind of criteria that make you to come up with that kind of decision?
The criteria I use to do the beneficiary selection was basically people who are in a group and doing agriculture together. And there are quite many. I am not able to give support to all of them, but I've picked 4 groups in every parish, and we start with that group. If I get other seeds, I'll give to other groups, and they'll also benefit. But these groups has got the youth and the women. My focus is on that. I know these 2 groups are the groups that really can be so focused, and they have the capacity to be united and work together. And some of them are already working together, so they just needed that. And whenever I talk to my people, when I go and attend functions, all the issues that they drive out is we need seeds, and we need support through this. So that's why I decided to pick the 4 groups per parish.
Besides the seeds, the maize seeds, there are also other seeds that are spread very well in this region. Is there anything in the pipeline that other seeds might come?
Well, as I said, I noted earlier that my role is to do the hunting. Apparently, I am not certain which seed I'll bring again, but if I get any, I'll definitely bring. I'm looking for sunflower seeds because it's very expensive for the people to purchase. I think a kilo goes to around 60,000. Yeah, so it's quite expensive. I think we have written some requests around. If I get the sunflower seeds, I'll be able to bring them and give to the farmers. But I'll focus on those who are seriously working and they have this kind of drive. I'm not looking at just calling everybody to come say, oh, I've got seeds, let's go come and pick it. No, I want to look at those who are already in groups, they are clustered, and they have been working together as a team.
Okay. One of the things in Luo that I feel it is paramount to make it on record in English. What message do you have for the youth? You said it clearly in Luo, and I needed a translation bit. Your message, since we already approached the farming season, and the rain has not yet started raining, and of course we expect very soon. What message do you have directly to only the youth?
At this point, I want to call upon the youth, the young people, that we are going into a season of planting. We've been spending time seated in the trading centers doing all sorts of relaxation. It is now time that you focus on doing something for yourself. We would like to ask the youth to venture into agriculture, looking at other sectors being very competitive. Agriculture covers everybody. So I want to call upon the youth of Kidum. This is a season, and the season is coming. Please plant at least 2 acres of something. At the end of the season, you'll be able to reap. And if you can afford to get money to attend to your needs, you'll be a productive youth. My appeal is to it is for you to know that there is nothing that comes which is hands given. And as a young people, even the Bible tells you that at your age you must invest a lot of your time in securing your future. Now, securing your future can only be done through hard work. No one can give you anything for free, and poverty can only be fought through hard work.